By the way,
Alright,
whoever
right.
takes the shard, say me.
Can you recognize us by voices?
Of course.
Yep, I actually do.
Ooh.
Ichigo, why are you away?
Didn't he say that he has to go AFK?
No, he's ready.
Is
Okay.
ready? Okay. DBMing it. Do not ninja pull. Nymphic pull on pull now.
Okay.
Couldn't you have the timer, please? Hero.
Sure.
Go. Nice. Good job.
Beware.
Move away from the shop, guys. So go.
Calm down.
Using divine
Not yet.
protection.
Yeah, you're alive.
Good job, Haka.
Beware.
Got good stacks out of that. I'm taking. Oni is going to be the switcheroo.
No, let Garlic switch you.
Okay, fine. But it's gonna have to happen now.
Garlic, take it. Let me just leave out. It's gonna be you, Garlic, Miomi.
Okay.
Beware.
Okay, Falcon, move away. Ichigo, come close to switch with me. On the left. Ichigo.
I'm
Ichigo.
gonna do that.
Take it? Okay.
Beware.
Okay.
Who's taking the next one?
Mugi, I
guys.
guess. And I'm gonna switch him. He was right there anyway. Yeah, whenever you're ready, dude. Yeah, got you covered.
Come to me.
Beware.
Charge on Smoogie again, Tore. You're gonna go take it.
So, in such shit position, god damn it.
Yeah. Ready. The Boomkin is next to you.
Okay. Switch.
Come to me fast.
Beware.
I can take some of it.
Yes, you will.
Who's taking it? Okay.
Falcon.
Kuronyako.
Kuronyako.
Someone will have
Ichigo,
to
you will
switch me.
switch with him.
Okay, go.
Beware.
I'll
The
take
range.
it.
Someone move in to switch with him. From the ranged people.
If you move away, I can take it, it's fine.
Beware.
Falcon, take it.
Someone.
Taken.
Guys, calm down.
The final one.
Okay, Mumkin or someone. Okay, thank you. And it's dead.
It's what?
Good job.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy?
Mm-hmm.
Can story?
Mm-hmm.
Please?
Nope.
Ah, fuck.
No.
What's the drops? Garbage?
This.
Garbage? Garbage. And garbage.
Oh.
Do you need those gloves?
I don't even know if
I
I
have
need
it
any.
for both specs.
Okay. Go
Leave
report your
chest
thing.
is best.
Eita.
Can I have the shoulders of transmog? Oh wait, I actually think I have them.
You have them, I know.
Okay,
How are you
roll.
wearing?
If anyone wants the hands, roll.
Oh,
Garlic
okay,
is
good,
hard.
good.
Are we skipping trash for Beth?
No, we're killing
Garlic. Takes
Okay,
the
I'll
end.
skip.
Shoulders, anyone?
I need to train my jumping skill.
Team.
How can you want that for translog? I mean, come on.
it. It looks dope as fuck. I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you that low, man? You know Ice Crown, and you're after that.
Oh,
Give it Tony.
I can give it
First
to
try.
Only
Well, I
cage.
thought